Go sure fit. Yeah, yeah. Go girl. Show 'em, show 'em. Go sure fit Johnson. This is your world. Now pose for 'em. Show 'em behind the scenes. Show 'em your long hair, even when it's weave. Show 'em your makeup. Show 'em your real life. Yeah, with the flaws, those DIYs and fashion hauls. Hey guys, so it is summertime, and what does that mean? Protective styling, of course. It's too hot to just be having my hair like, ow, to be so crazy and to be so curly. So you know what, I said I'm gonna do a mini twist video, and I actually don't think I've ever done one of those on my channel before, but I have done a mini twist like styling video, so I'll definitely put that in the description box. You should check that out. I did like 20 something styles that you can do with mini twists, and apparently I didn't make a video of how to do mini twists. I don't know, I have no idea. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Mini twists are fairly simple. You can make them as big or as small as you want to. This is like about medium size. I have 50 twists in my head. Yes, I counted just for you. And I would say these could last you for 2-3 weeks, and probably even longer if you just redid the front to make it look neat. But this style is very, very simple. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do it, so if you are interested, then keep watching. Oh wait, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell alert so you know when I'm posting a video, because I do post at least twice every week, usually on Sunday and Wednesday, so definitely subscribe. First things first, I am starting off with freshly washed hair, and I'm going to add some peppermint oil throughout my scalp because it stimulates hair growth and a lot more other benefits. I have a video on my channel if you want to check it out. I massage that oil into my scalp, and let's just get started with the twist. So of course we have to make sections. I try to make mine as neat as possible, going straight across. But making this video, I had a bit of trouble, but using a rat tail comb should help you nonetheless. So take that rat tail comb from one end of your head to the other end, and it should make a horizontal line. And once you do that, go ahead and secure the rest of your hair up in a ponytail, whatever. And all the products that I'm using will be in the description box because I am trying to get this video going. So first things first, I do use a leave-in by Jane Carter solution, and then I follow up with Shea Moisture's Enhancing Smoothie, just because I want my hair to have a lot of moisture and it to be locked in. I want those juicy twists. So after that, I go ahead and make a vertical line and basically section my hair off. And I do add some Eco Styler gel around the perimeter because I want it to be kind of sleek over there, right on the base. So after that, I just twist my hair. You just take your section and split it into 2 pieces and wrap one around the other. Mini twists and twists in general are super easy, especially if you are a natural girl. I'm pretty sure you've done it in your lifetime. So just twist it from the root all the way to the end. My hair is pretty long, so it did take me some time to get to the end. The only con is my hair shrinks so much that as soon as I'm done, it just shrinks back up. So from here, I'm just gonna let you guys watch the rest, and I'm literally repeating the same step. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section, and do not forget to look in the description box for the products, and also to look for the other videos that I have on mini twists. I am SureFit Johnson. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell alerts.